12th house in synastry can be one of the most confusing connections you may have, because these connections are usually very hard to define. It is very often that these connections are never fully formed, but they also doesn't disappear completely from your life. They may come and go, they may be on and off, and you are not sure why this person keep appearing in my life over and over again. These connections are usually quite foggy and you may not really understand what is going on between you. And 12th house connections are often secret connections. There is something always standing on the way for this relationship to form. But these connections are usually here to help us get in touch with our inner, deeper self. So let me know if you have a 12th house synastry with someone and what is your experience. And you can read more about 12th house synastry and other karmic indicators in my free guide. So if you need some clarity, the link is in my bio.